Hi and welcome to Outwell. Here we're going to give you some hints and tips on how to attach the front extension for the Glendale 5 and the front awning for the Illinois 6. What we're going to show you is front awning for the Illinois 6, but what we talk about here will go for both products. A good tip before pitching the extension or the awning is just to make sure that you get rid of any of the wind stabilisers or guylines that may be in the way. Once the fly sheet's in place, we're going to take the poles out and assemble them. Assembling the poles is made really easy because each one has been pre-attached from one side all the way through to the other. Once the poles are assembled, we're going to take the curved steel roof pole, put that through the pole sleeve, then we'll attach the side legs onto that. We'll move it up against the side of the tent and take the fabric over. Once the pole's in place, what we're going to do is just attach it to the fly sheet using the ring and pin system. What you'll find is that on one side you have a fixed strap and on the other side you have an adjustable strap. A good tip here is always to start with the fixed strap, and that should be a lot easier to get the other side in. Once that's done, we're just going to clip the fly sheet onto the pole as well. Now what we're going to do is just lean the steel pole against the front of the tent. We're then going to take the guylines that are attached to the roof panel on here, and we're going to take it straight across the back and peg that into place. Now what we're going to do is take the Duratec fiberglass pole, and we put that through the sleeve and attach it into place, and then we're going to peg the awning into position. So the next thing to do before we attach our wind stabilisers and peg out all of the guylines at the front, we're just going to go back to where we took the guylines out at the back and just tension them just to create a good secure fit into the front of the tent. Once the awning has been set up on the outside, all we have to do is just open the door and we're just going to place the ground sheet in.